Hi guys, today I want to show you our new single shot loader for the Weirhauch HW44 and also HW110. So we offer both variants in different insertion directions. So for the HW44, it inserts from the left side. So this particular one is a 22. So I'm going to show you how to install it. So make sure your gun's unloaded. Just pull back the cocking lever, lift up the mag release lever, and then just insert the single shot loader like a magazine until it clicks into place. Should be flush on both sides. Then just release the mag release lever. It should come down. Then you're done. It flips up, and it has the O-ring to retain the pellet so it doesn't fall back. You're ready to go. Thanks for watching.